गुरुभ्यो नमः। तृतीयोऽध्यायः ध्यानम्। ॐ उद्यद्भानुसहस्रकान्तिमरुणक्षौमां शिरोमालिकां रक्तालिप्तपयोधरां जपवटीं विद्यामभीतिं वरम् हस्ताब्जैर्दधतीं त्रिनेत्रविलसद्वक्त्रारविन्दश्रियम् देवीं बद्धहिमां शुरत्नमुकुटां वन्दे रविन्दस्थिताम्। ॐ ऋषिरुवाच निहन्यमानं तत्सैन्यमवलोक्य महासुरः सेनानीश्चिक्षुरः कोपाद्ययौ योद्धुमताम्बिकां स देवीं शरवर्षेण ववर्ष समरे सुरः यथा मेरुगिरे शृङ्गं तोयवर्षेण तोयदः तस्य चित्वा ततो देवी लीलयैव शरोत्करान् जगानतुरगान् बाणैर्यन्तारं चैव वाजिनां चिच्चेद च धनुः सद्यो ध्वजं चातिसमुच्छ्रितं विव्याध चैव गात्रेषु छिन्नधन्वानमाशुगैः सचिन्नधन्वा विरतो हताश्वो हतसारथिः अभ्यधावत तां देवीं खड्गचर्मधरोऽसुरः सिंहमाहत्य खड्गेन तीक्ष्णधारेण मूर्धनि आजगानभुजे सव्ये देवीमप्यतिवेगवान् तस्याः खड्गो भुजं प्राप्य पपाल नृपनन्दन ततो जग्राह शूलं स कोपादरुणलोचनः चिक्षेप च ततस्तत्तु भद्रकाल्यां महासुरः जाज्वल्यमानं तेजोभिः रविबिम्बमिवाम्बरात् दृष्ट्वा तदापतच्छूलं देवी शूलममुञ्चत तच्छूलं शतघातेन नीतं स च महासुरः हते तस्मिन् महावीर्ये महिषस्य चमूपदौ आजगाम गजारूढश्चामरस्त्रिदशार्दनः सोऽपि शक्तिं मुमोचाद देव्यास्तामम्बिका द्रुतम् हूङ्काराभिहतां भूमौ पातयामाश निष्प्रभाम् भग्नां शक्तिं निपतिताम् दृष्ट्वा क्रोधसमन्वितः भग्नां शक्तिं निपतितां दृष्ट्वा क्रोधसमन्वितः चिक्षेप चामरशूलम् बाणैस्तदभिसाचिनत् चिक्षेप चामरशूलं बाणैस्तदभिसाचिनत् भग्नां शक्तिं निपतितां दृष्ट्वा क्रोधसमन्वितः चिक्षेप चामरशूलं बाणैस्तदभिसाचिनत्
भग्नां शक्तिं निपतितां दृष्ट्वा क्रोधसमन्वितः चिक्षेप चामरशूलं बाणैस्तदभिसाचिनत् भग्नां शक्तिं निपतितां दृष्ट्वा क्रोधसमन्वितः चिक्षेप चामरशूलं बाणैस्तदभिसाचिनत्.
So when Chamara aimed the spear at her, she just made a sound and it just fell shattered. The anger actually, if she had aimed the arrow at it and it broke also, it is fine. But only with a sound, humkara sound, it just fell down, broken, lost its strength. So this actually made Chamara very angry. Bhagnam Shakti, the Bhagna means the shattered, the sphere, broken that sphere, that made Drishtva, looking at it, his anger grew up. Krodha Samanvita. His anger went up like anything. Chiksheva Chamara Shulam. Next, the Chamara, what he did? Chiksheva, he aimed at her a Shulam, Trishulam. First Shakti, the spear. Now it is Shulam, a trident. He aimed at her and Banes Tatabisachinat. She sent one arrow and broke it. Banes Tatabi Sachinat is it is broken. She destroyed it by sending an arrow at it. Okay, so his spear is gone, his Trishulam is gone. Now the Simha, what it is going to do next. Tata Simha Samutpatya.
Tata Simha Samutpatya. Tata Simha Samutpatya.
Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha.
Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha. Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha.
Mari liye, there is
Tarastitaha.
Tarestitaha. Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha. There is meaning does not change. Tarestitaha, Tarastitaha. Kumbhantara, Kumbhantare. Like both are the same meaning. It just jumped on the head. That Kumbham is the mastakam of the elephant. So it jumped at it. That's it. Okay.
Two lines together will only chant Shanti. If there is
No.
correction.
No, I will slowly say it. No. Tata Simha Samutpatya Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha.
Tata Simha Samutpatya Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha. Tata Simha Samutpatya Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha.
Your answer.
Tarai.
Kumbhantare.
Kumbhan Tare Stitaha.
Tare Stitaha. Stitha.
Stitaha.
Stitha means he just goes and stands there. Sits there.
Tata Simha Samutpatya.
Repeat that line.
Tata Simha Samutpatya Gaja Kumbhantare Stitaha.
Very good. Okay. Bahu Yuddhena Yuyude.
बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे
तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा
तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा
बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा
बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा
ततः सिंहः समुत्पत्य गजकुम्भान्तरे स्थितः बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा
ततः सिंहः समुत्पत्य गजकुम्भान्तरे स्थितः बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा ततः सिंहः समुत्पत्य गजकुम्भान्तरे स्थितः बाहुयुद्धेन युयुधे तेनोच्चैस्त्रिदशारिणा.
Simham actually leaped up at the head of the elephant, Mastaham. We call it as Mastaham. So Kumbhantare, it is like two kumbhas here. For the elephant, when you see the Mastaham, it has got two kumbham, two inverted pot kind of a thing on the forehead. It jumped at the forehead of this elephant, Kumbhantare Sthitaha. He reached there and then Bahu Yuddhena Yude. It cannot hold any weapon, so it is hitting with his hand. Bahu Yuddhena, Bahu means hands. It is hitting Chamara with his hands. Tridasharina, as I told you, you know the meaning now, is the enemy of the god. Enemy of the, he hit the enemy of the gods. Okay? Yudhyamanau tatastautu
Yudhyamanau tatastautu Yudhyamanau tatastautu
Tasman nagan mahim gathau
Tasman nagan mahim gatau Tasman nagan mahim gatau
Yudhyamanau tatastautu Tasman nagan mahim gathau
Yudhyamanau tatastautu Tasman nagan mahim gatau Yudhyamanau tatastautu Tasman nagan mahim gatau
Yuyudate samrabdhau
Yuyudate samrabdhau Yuyudate samrabdhau
Praharairati darunaihi
Praharairati darunaihi Praharairati darunaihi
Yuyudate samrabdhau Praharairati darunaihi
Yuyudhate samrabdhau Praharairati darunaihi Yuyudhate samrabdhau Praharairati darunaihi
Yudhyamanau tatastautu Tasman nagan mahim gathau Yudhate samrabdhau Praharairati darunaihi
Yudhyamanau tatastautu Tasman nagan mahim gatau Yudhate samrabdhau Praharairati darunaihi Yudhyamanau tatastautu Tasman nagan mahim gatau Yudhate samrabdhau Praharairati darunaihi.
The lion and Chamara, both are fighting, and as they are fighting, Tasman Nagan Mahim, from the head of the elephant. Nagan means elephant. From Tasman, from the elephant, Mahim Gatam, they fell down on the ground. Mahim means earth. Mahim means earth. Okay, they both fell down on they were fighting. They were fighting, and they both fell down from the elephant on the ground. Yudhadeti samrupta. They continued to fight, attack one another. Samrabdhai. So Ati samrabdhau. Samrabdhau means very furious, very angry. Both were prahare. They were attacking one another. Prahare ati darunehi. It is very terrible, fearsome fight. They both were attacking one another. Both the lion and Chamara. Tato vegat kamutpatya. Nipatya cha mrigarina. Tato vegat kamutpatya. Nipatya cha mrigarina. Karapraharena shiras. Chamarasya pruthakrutham. Karapraharena shiras. Chamarasya pruthakrutham. Tato vegat kamutpatya. Nipatya cha mrigarina. Karapraharena shiras. Chamarasya pruthakrutham. These two fell down on the earth. Suddenly the lion sprang up skywards. Kamutpatya, skywards it sprang up with a force. So fast it just jumped up. Nipatya cha mrigarina. It fell on Chamara. It just sprang up skywards and fell with the same force. It fell on the Chamara. Karapraharena. With one blow from his paw. Shiras Chamarasya pruthakrutham. Pruthakrutham means severed. With one blow, Chamara's head got severed from the body. That lion, with the force with which it went up, sprang up and fell down on Chamara. See, each one, the poetic beauty is there are so many so many asuras being killed here. They have made it so this thing. Each one were like, all this while now the details are given. Now other generals, they will just do it quite fast because they will not go into details. But each one, they will have a unique way of killing them or murdering them. Next comes Udagra. Udagrasya rane devya.
Udagrasya उदग्रश्चरणे देव्या
शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः
शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः
उदग्रश्चरणे देव्या शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः
उदग्रश्चरणे देव्या शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः उदग्रश्चरणे देव्या शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः
दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव
दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव
करालश्च निपातितः
करालश्च निपातितः करालश्च निपातितः
दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव करालश्च निपातितः
दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव करालश्च निपातितः दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव करालश्च निपातितः
उदग्रश्च रणे देव्या शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव करालश्च निपातितः
उदग्रश्चरणे देव्या शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव करालश्च निपातितः उदग्रश्चरणे देव्या शिलावृक्षादिभिर्हतः दन्तमुष्टितलैश्चैव करालश्च निपातितः.
So two generals are mentioned here, Udagra and Karala. Okay, Udagrascha Rane Devya. How she battled with him? Shila Vrukshadebir Hatha. Shila means rocks, stones, rocks. Vriksha means trees. So she just beat him with rocks and the trees and killed him. Hatha killed him. Danta Mushti Talaischai. Danta means biting. Mushti means fist, like punching. Talai means slapping. With all these three, she killed Karala. Okay. Devi Kruddha Gadhapatais.
Devi Kruddha Gadhapatais. Devi Kruddha Gadhapatais.
Churnayamasa Chodhatam.
Churnayamasa Chodhatam. Churnayamasa Chodhatam.
Devi Kruddha Gadhapatais Churnayamasa Chodhatam.
Devi Kruddha Gadhapatais Churnayamasa Chodhatam. Devi Kruddha Gadhapatais Churnayamasa Chodhatam.
Bashkalam Bindipalena.
Bashkalam Bindipalena. Bashkalam Bindipalena.
Banaistamram Tathandakam.
Banaistamram Tathandakam. Banaistamram Tathandakam.
Bashkalam Bindipalena. Banaistamram Tathandakam.
Bashkalam Bindipalena. Banaistamram Tathandakam. Bashkalam Bindipalena. Banaistamram Tathandakam.
Devi Kruddha is. See, rendum onnada. Ba and va normally in Sanskritam there is interchangeable. Vashkalam, Bhashkalam both are same only. That bhava thing that happens in Sanskritam, there is nothing wrong. Vashkalam also is the same as Bashkalam. There is always so many times you can see it in the mantras also. They get exchanged with ba and va. That's all right. Devi kruddha gadapatais chornayamasa chodhatam bashkalam bindi palena banais tamram tathandakam.
Devi kruddha gadapatais chornayamasa chodhatam bashkalam bindi palena बाणैस्ताम्रं तथान्धकम् देवी क्रुद्धा गदापातैश्चूर्णयामास चोधतम् बाष्कलं भिन्दिपालेन बाणैस्ताम्रं तथान्धकम्.
Devi Kruddha. Devi is angry, no? So raged Devi, enraged one, enraged Devi. Gadha Padai. Gada, with her Gada, Churnayamasa Chodhata. She made a pulp out of him, beating him. Like, Andakam. Chodhatam Uddhata. Cha Uddhata. Uddhata is the name of the demon. So she killed him, pulverized him, made a pulp out of him, beating him with her Gada, Uddhata. Okay? Bashkalam Bindi Palena. Bindi Pala, I have told already, it is javelin. So she killed Bashkalam with her javelin, and Banais Tamra Tata Andakam. Andaka and Tamra, both with her arrows. Okay. Now one after another, all the generals are getting killed, because the generals are actually surrounding Mahishasura, and Mahishasura is in the center. So to approach Mahishasura, all these people are being killed. Okay. Ugrasya mugra viryam cha.
Ugrasya mugra viryam cha. Ugrasya mugra viryam cha.
Tataiva cha mahahanum.
Tataiva cha mahahanum. Tataiva cha mahahanum.
Ugrasya mugra viryam cha. Tataiva cha mahahanum.
Ugrasya mugra viryam cha. Tataiva cha mahahanum. Ugrasya mugra viryam cha. Tataiva cha mahahanum.
Trinetra cha trishulena.
Trinetra cha trishulena. Trinetra cha trishulena.
Jaghana Parameshwari.
Jagana Parameshwari. Jagana Parameshwari.
Trinetra cha trishulena. Jagana Parameshwari.
Trinetra cha trishulena. Jagana Parameshwari. Trinetra cha trishulena. Jagana Parameshwari.
Ugrasya mugra viryam cha. Tataiva cha mahahanum. Trinetra cha trishulena. Jaghana Parameshwari.
Ugrasya mugra viryam cha. Tataiva cha mahahanum. Trinetra cha trishulena. Jaghana Parameshwari. Ugrasya mugra viryam cha. Tataiva cha mahahanum. Trinetra cha trishulena. Jaghana Parameshwari.
Ugrasya, Ugraviram, all these are names of the general. And Mahahanu. There are three generals' names mentioned here. Ugrasya, Ugravirya and Mahahanu. These three were Trinetra cha Trishulena. with her Trishulam, Trinetra, the three-eyed goddess, Parameshwari, she is the supreme goddess, three-eyed supreme goddess, killed these three with her Trishulam. Okay? Bidalasyasinakayat,
Bidalasyasinakayat, Bidalasyasinakayat,
Patayamasa Vaishiraha,
Patayamasa Vaishiraha, Patayamasa Vaishiraha,
Bidalasyasinakayat, Patayamasa Vaishiraha,
Bidalasyasinakayat, Patayamasa Vaishiraha, Bidalasyasinakayat, Patayamasa Vaishiraha,
Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau,
Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau, Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau,
Sharair Ninye Yamakshayam,
Sharairninyeyamakshayam, Sharairninyeyamakshayam,
Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau, Sharair Ninye Yamakshayam,
Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau, Sharairninyeyamakshayam, Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau, Sharairninyeyamakshayam,
Bidalasyasinakaya, Patayamasa Vaishiraha, Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau, Sharair Ninye Yamakshayam.
Bidalasyasinakayat, Patayamasa Vaishiraha, Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau, Sharairninyeyamakshayam, Bidalasyasinakayat, Patayamasa Vaishiraha, Durdharam Durmukham Chobhau, Sharairninyeyamakshayam.
Asina. Asi means I told you the sword. Bidalasyasina Kayat Padayam. From his body, the head was severed with her sword. She severed the head of Bidala with her sword. Durdharam Durmukham. There are again two more Asura generals. Sharair Ninye Yamaksham. She sent them to the abode of Yama. It means that she killed them with her Sharair Ninye, with her arrows. Shara means with her arrows. She killed them and sent them to pack them off to the abode of Yama. So the first 1 to 20 of this is actually two clear-cut sections in this chapter. Like first 1 to 20, it talks about the killing of generals. Actual battle with the Mahishasura starts from 21 till the end. So now we have seen few more names of these generals. New names came up this time. The meaning of those new few names. We saw few in the first this thing. Now we will see. Karala. Karala is the gaping mouth, like, wide mouth, like he never closes his mouth, like gaping mouth. Uddhata. Uddhata is arrogancy. Uddhata is very rude and arrogant. Tamra is actually oppressing character, oppressing the enemy. Andaka is blind but morally blind. He doesn't see dharma. So he is morally blind person. He doesn't see good or bad. Everything is the same to him. He is morally. Ugrasya means very fearsome face. Ugrasya, very fearsome face. Ugravirya is one who is very strong, brutally strong. Ugravirya. Then brutal Mahahanu, we saw it last time. Durdhara. Durdhara is one who is holding all evil things. Durdhara. All evil things he is holding. Durmukha is very abusive character. I mean, all bad words only come out of his mouth. Mukha means mouth here. So, Durmukha means only foul-mouthed person. Okay. Now, actually, the battle is starting from between Ambal and Devi and Mahishasura. So the introduction of Mahishasura has been given very strongly in the next few lines, how to just express how ferocious he is. We have to understand all the celestials actually were defeated by the generals, whom Devi made it look very easy, but they, all the celestials, Indra and everyone, were defeated by the generals. So Mahishasura is the chief of that, I mean Rakshasa, Asura king he is. How ferocious he is. The next few lines actually explain how fearsome he is. Okay? And then the battle starts. Yevam samkshiyamane tu
Evam samkshiyamane tu Evam samkshiyamane tu
Swasainnye mahishasuraha
Swasainnye mahishasuraha Swasainnye mahishasuraha
Yevam samkshiyamane tu Swasainnye mahishasuraha
Evam samkshiyamane tu Swasainnye mahishasuraha Evam samkshiyamane tu Swasainnye mahishasuraha
Mahishena swarupena
Mahishena swarupena Mahishena swarupena
Trasayamasa tan ganan
Trasayamasa tan ganan Trasayamasa tan ganan
Mahishena swarupena Trasayamasa tan ganan
Mahishena swarupena Trasayamasa tan ganan Mahishena swarupena Trasayamasa tan ganan
Evam samkshiyamane tu Swasainnye mahishasuraha Mahishena swarupena Trasayamasa tan ganan
Evam samkshiyamane tu Swasainnye mahishasuraha Mahishena swarupena Trasayamasa tan ganan Evam samkshiyamane tu Swasainnye mahishasuraha Mahishena swarupena Trasayamasa tan ganan.
So Mahishasura witnessed his Sainya perishing in front of his eyes. Samkshiya, it's getting vanished or perishing, disappear. So it is, he saw his own army getting perished or destroyed by the Devi. Mahishena swarupena. So his Mahisha Rupam, with his Mahisha Rupam, Trasayamasa Tangana. So Devi Shakti, the army is there, no? The Swasa Nilasta, we saw her entire army coming up from her Swasam. He started Trasayadi, frightened them with his Mahisha Rupam. His Rupam, he's frightening the army of Devi. with his rupams. So he saw anger also goes up, no? So he was like, actually scaring them off. Kanshitunda praharena
Kanshitunda praharena Kanshitunda praharena
Kurakshepaistatha paran
Kurakshepaistatha paran Kurakshepaistatha paran
Kanshitunda praharena Kurakshepaistatha paran
Kanshitunda praharena Kurakshepaistatha paran Kanshitunda praharena Kurakshepaistatha paran
Langulataaditamschanyan
Langulataaditamschanyan Langulataaditamschanyan
Shrungabhyam cha vidaritan
Shringabhyam cha vidaritan Shringabhyam cha vidaritan.
Now you have to see the sandhi here. Langulataaditamschanyan Shrungabhyam. Okay? Actually, Tanyan Shrungabhyam is split how it is split. But when it is said together, Chanyan Shrungabhyam, it changes like that. Okay? Chanyan Shrungabhyam. Okay? The sandhi you have to understand when you are saying together, hear it well and say it. Today my voice is not good. Langulataaditamschanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidaritan
Langulataaditamschanyan Shringabhyam cha vidaritan.
Repeat that one more.
Langulataaditamschanyan Shringabhyam.
Don't say Shrungabhyam. Shrungabhyam. No. Shrungabhyam. Shrungabhyam cha vidaritan.
Langulataaditamschanyan Shringabhyam cha vidaritan. Langulataaditamschanyan Shringabhyam cha vidaritan.
So when you are reciting, there is nothing wrong. If you take a split there, but you have to be very careful. Like Langulataaditamschanyan Shrungabhyam cha, there is nothing wrong in that. But it is like, as you move ahead, you also have to, the difficulty level is actually more. When you see the sandhis when they come, there is nothing wrong if you say like Chanyan Shrungabhyam, but with the sandhi you make it so what happens, the meter is very, very particular. Always Sanskrit meters, whatever meter we are saying, there should be like, the matras count. That is the reason the sandhi itself has come. So matra doesn't, when you split it, you don't feel that there is a difference in the matra. But it is actually like very mild difference, very, very minute. So I will say both the lines together. Okay. Kanchitunda praharena kurakshepaistatha paran langulataaditamschanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidaritan.
Kanchitunda praharena kurakshepaistatha paran langulataaditamschanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidaritan. Kanchitunda praharena kurakshepaistatha paran langulataaditamschanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidaritan.
You can imagine how a buffalo will look. Okay? Buffalo, they have a snout. No. That is called Tunda. Tunda means that snout above the snout of the buffalo. 4 things they have mentioned here. Tunda is snout. Kurakshepa, hoofs. Its hoofs. It is very hard. So the hoofs. So when it is like as big as, we cannot imagine how big Mahishasura was. How big a buffalo he was. So such huge buffalo with this very strong hoofs, if it is going to blow, beat others, how strong it will be. That's the second one they have mentioned. Langula. Langula means the tail. So the 4 things they have of this, we saw Tunda, Kurakshepa, Langula. Shrungabhyam. Shrungabhyam is his horns. 2 horns that he has. So with all the 4 at a time, he is hitting everybody. Kanshit Tunda, he was like crashing people with his snout. Tunda. Kurakshepa is Tadaparan, beating people with his hoofs. Okay? And at the same time, Langula Thaditams is like, like a whip. He is lashing people out with his tail. Shrungabhyam cha vidharita. Vidharita means slashing people with his shringa. And we have seen a lot of bullfights and things, how they can, like, with their horns, they can actually split people. Like that they were. He was doing everything at the same time. How fearsome he was. Just to project how fearsome he was. Vegena Kashidaparan.
Vegena Kashidaparan. Vegena Kashidaparan.
Nadena Brahmanena ja.
Nadena Brahmanena cha. Nadena Brahmanena cha.
Vegena Kanchitaparan. Nadena Brahmanena ja.
Vegena Kanchidaparan. Nadena Brahmanena cha. Vegena Kanchidaparan. Nadena Brahmanena cha.
Nishvasa pavanenanyan.
Nishvasa pavanenanyan. Nishvasa pavanenanyan.
Patayamasa bhutale.
Patayamasa bhutale. Patayamasa bhutale.
Nishvasa pavanenanyan. Patayamasa bhutale.
Nishvasa pavanenanyan. Patayamasa bhutale. Nishvasa pavanenanyan. Patayamasa bhutale.
Vegena Kanchitaparan. Nadena Brahmanena cha. Nishvasa pavanenanyan. Patayamasa bhutale.
Vegena Kanchidaparan. Nadena Brahmanena cha. Nishvasa pavanenanyan. Patayamasa bhutale. Vegena Kanchidaparan. Nadena Brahmanena cha. Nishvasa pavanenanyan. Patayamasa bhutale.
Vegena Kanchitaparan. Kanchita means few. Vegena, with his speed, the way he was running around in the battlefield, with the speed Pataya, for few people, he made them fall on the ground. Nadena Brahmanena cha. With the sound, the bellowing sound, People were going, reeling, like going around, like from where this big sound is coming. Nadena Brahmaninicha. Wheeling about. Nishvasa Pavanena. Pavana means the blast of air when he was breathing out, exhaling. When he was exhaling, many people fell down on earth. Pathayamasa Bhutale. They fell on earth. So with his speed, with the sound of his bellowing, and with air, that blast when he was exhaling, people were falling on the ground. Okay. Nipatya pratama pramadhanika.
Nipatya pramadhanika. Nipatya pramadhanika.
Actually, Nipatya pramadhanikam.
Nipatya pramadhanikam. Nipatya pramadhanikam.
Abhyadhavadaso suraha.
Abhyadhavadaso suraha. Abhyadhavadaso suraha.
Nipatya pramadhanikam. Nipatya pramadhanikam abhyadhavadaso suraha.
Nipatya pramadhanikam abhyadhavadaso suraha. Nipatya pramadhanikam abhyadhavadaso suraha.
Simham hantum mahadevyaha.
Simham hantum mahadevyaha. Simham hantum mahadevyaha.
Kopam chakre tathombika.
Kopam chakre tathombika. Kopam chakre tathombika.
Simham hantum mahadevya. Kopam chakre tathombika.
Simham hantum mahadevya. Kopam chakre tathombika. Simham hantum mahadevya. Kopam chakre tathombika.
Nipatya pramadhanikam abhyadhavadaso suraha. Simham hantum mahadevya. Kopam chakre tathombika.
Nipatya pramadhanikam abhyadhavadaso suraha. Simham hantum mahadevya. Kopam chakre tathombika. Nipatya pramadhanikam abhyadhavadaso suraha. Simham hantum mahadevya. Kopam chakre tathombika.
Nipatya pramadhanika. Pramadhanika here is the army of the goddess. After destroying the army of the goddess, Abhyadhavata Susur, he is rushing. Abhyadhavata means rushing forward. He is rushing forward. Simham hantum mahadevya. He wanted to kill Mahadevi's Vahanam, Simham. He wanted to kill the Simham with the intention. He was rushing towards the lion on which Devi is seated. Kopam chakre tathombika. That actually made Ambika very angry and agitated. After destroying the army, he rushes towards killing the lion, Mahadevi's Vahanam. So which actually made Devi very angry. She became very furious. Sopi kopan mahaviryaha.
Sopi kopan mahaviryaha. Sopi kopan mahaviryaha.
Kurakshunna mahitalaha.
Kurakshunna mahitalaha. Kurakshunna mahitalaha.
Sopi kopan mahaviryah. Kurakshunna mahitalaha.
Sopi kopan mahavirya. कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः
शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां
शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां
चिक्षेप च ननाद च
चिक्षेप च ननाद च चिक्षेप च ननाद च
शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां चिक्षेप च ननाद च
शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां चिक्षेप च ननाद च शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां चिक्षेप च ननाद च
सोऽपि गोपान् महावीर्यः कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां चिक्षेप च ननाद च
सोऽपि गोपान् महावीर्यः कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां चिक्षेप च ननाद च सोऽपि गोपान् महावीर्यः कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां चिक्षेप च ननाद च.
So Devi was getting furious because he is coming to kill the lion. Of course, Mahavirya, he is great in valor. Okay, he is also angry. You see, it is the animal instinct. You must have seen buffaloes when they get angry, they will just start pounding the earth with their hoofs. Korakshunna mahitala. Mahitala is here. He started pounding the earth with his hoofs. You can imagine how normally an animal behaves like that. Like especially the buffalo, when it is angry, bulls, when they are angry, they start pounding the earth. Shringabhyam parvadanuksham chikshepa. He is like, with his horns, parvadanucham, he is like lifting the mountains and throwing. With his horns, he was lifting the mountains and there he is throwing at them. Chikshepa, he is throwing at them. Nanadacha, and he is making loud sound. Loud sound. So he is bellowing also. Everything is looking so frightful. The way he was pounding the earth and lifting the mountains and throwing the mountains at them. Okay. Vega Brahmana Vikshunna
Vega Brahmana Vikshunna Vega Brahmana Vikshunna
Mahitasya Vyashiryata
Mahitasya Vyashiryata Mahitasya Vyashiryata
Vega Brahmana Vikshunna Mahitasya Vyashiryata
Vega Brahmana Vikshunna Mahitasya Vyashiryata Vega Brahmana Vikshunna Mahitasya Vyashiryata
Langulena Hataschabdhi
Langulena Hataschabdhi Langulena Hataschabdhi
Plavayamasa Sarvataha
Plavayamasa Sarvataha Plavayamasa Sarvataha
Langulena Hataschabdhi Plavaya. See, Sandhi you can add it there. Langulena Hataschabdhi Plavayamasa Sarvataha Sarvataha
Langulena Hataschabdhi Plavayamasa Sarvataha Langulena Hataschabdhi Plavayamasa Sarvataha
Vega Brahmana Vikshunna Mahitasya vyashīryata langulena hataschabdih plavayamasa sarvataha.
Vegabhramana vikshunna mahitasya vyashīryata langulena hataschabdih plavayamasa sarvataha. Vegabhramana vikshunna mahitasya vyashīryata langulena hataschabdih plavayamasa sarvataha.
This yamasa, ya is separate and masa we have to tell. Or
No,
ya-
plavayamasa is one word.
Okay. When-
Don't shati plavayamasa sarvat. Plavayamasa is one word. Plavayamasa sarvataha. Okay? It is one word. Plavayamasa is one word. Okay? Plavayamasa means inundating, submerging everything. I will tell the meaning, you will understand it, what it is. Okay? Vega Brahmana Vikshunna Mahityasya Vyashīryata. The way he was like, wheeling about and pounding the earth with such a force, the earth was breaking, cracking there. Wherever he was pounding, this description is to make us feel how huge he is, how powerful he is, how strong he is. Wherever the buffalo, that Mahishasura is pounding the earth, with the speed with which he was pounding, because he was angry, the earth was giving way. It is cracking. Langulena hatascha abdi. Abdi means ocean. So he was like, with his tail he was like splashing the ocean. The water is getting displaced. Plavayamasa is they submerge everything. The water which is displaced by his slashing of the tail submerges the entire everything in that area. So that is like normally like we say a small pond or anything. They are saying ocean, abdihi, ocean. Okay. Should we stop with this today or next class? I want to finish it on Wednesday. Will you be able to do it? Huh? I think one or two more I will do it. We started in 23, no? I think one more if I do it, I think that is enough.
We started from 13.
13, now it is 26. 13, okay. Okay, next one we will do it and we will stop it, because next you have Devi Vacha, Rishi Vacha, that is also counted as one more. So I think we'll be able to finish it. Dutashringa vibhinnascha
Dudashringa vibhinnascha
Khandam yayurganaha
Khandam yayurghanaha
Dutashringa vibhinnascha Khandam yayurganaha
Dudashringa vibhinnascha Khandam yayurghanaha Dudashringa vibhinnascha Khandam yayurghanaha
Swasa nilasta shatasho
Shvasa nilasa shatasho
Nipetur napasochalaha
Nipeturnabhasochalaha.
I'm just making the breaks for you. That is the reason I'm like, where you have to take a break. The word should not, you should not lose the meaning. So put a mark somewhere like so you can see it, okay? Swasa nilasta shadasho nipetur nabashochala.
Shwasa nilasta shadasho nipetur nabashochala. Shwasa nilasta shadasho nipetur nabashochala.
Dudashrunga bibhinnascha khandam khandam yayurganaha. Swasa nilasta shadasho nipetur nabashochala.
Dudashrunga vibhinnascha khandam khandam yayurganaha. Shwasa nilasta shadasho nipetur nabashochala. Dudashrunga vibhinnascha khandam khandam yayurganaha. Shwasa nilasta shadasho nipetur nabashochala.
This 2 lines gives how huge he is. His horns, Shringham, Dutha, it was thrashing the clouds in the sky. Khandam Khandam. It is like, breaking it or cutting it into smaller clouds. That is, the clouds are they're fragmented by his horns. Yayur Ganaha, and dispersing them. Ganaha is clouds. Okay? Khandam means fragmenting. Dudha is the horns were thrashing the clouds and making it, fragmenting it into, and dispersing it. Yayur means dispersing it. Yayu means dispersing it. Ganaha is the clouds. Okay? They're getting dispersed after getting broken. Swasa nilasta shadato nipetur nabashochala. Swasa nilasta, his breathing, his heavy exhaling, hundreds of shadasho, hundreds of nipetur achala. Achala means mountains. They are tossing up in the sky. Nabha means sky. His breath, actually exhaling breath, tossing up the mountains in the sky. Is so huge and so powerful. See, the next one is Iti Krodha Samadnada Mapadandam Drishtva Chandiravam Tatpradaya Tadakarot. Should we do the next line? Okay. Let me stop it here because this description is over with this. The next one, Chandika is going to fight with that. We will stop it here. Probably next class, if my throat is a little better, we will complete this third chapter. Okay? It is because there are 44 only. 44 only. I think we'll be able to complete it next week, next class. Okay? We will recite from 13. Bhagnam Shaktim Nipatitam Drishtva Krodha Samanvitaha Chikyeva Chamarashulam Banaistadabhisachinad Tatasimhas Samutpatya Gajakumbhantare Stitaha Bahuyuddhena Yude Teno Chaistridasharina Yudhyamanau Tatastautu Tasman Nagan Mahim Gatau Yudadeti Samrabdhau Praharairathidarunaihi Tato Veda Kamutpatya Nipatya Chamrugarina Karapraharena Shiras Chamarasya Prutakrutam Udagrashcharane Devya Shila Vrukshadibirhataha Dantamushtitalaishchaiva करालश्च निपातितः देवी क्रुद्धा गदापादैश्चूर्णयामास चोद्धतम् वाष्कलं बिम्बिपालेन बाणैस्ताम्रं तथान्धकम् उग्रास्यमुग्रवीर्यं च तथैव च महाहनुम् त्रिनेत्रा च त्रिशूलेन जगान परमेश्वरी बिडालस्यासिनाकायान् पातयामास वैशिरः दुर्धरं दुर्मुखं चोभौ शरैर्निन्येयमक्षयम् एवं सङ्खीयमाणे तु स्वसैन्ये महिषासुरः माहिषेण स्वरूपेण त्रासयामास तां गणान् कांश्चित्तुण्डप्रहारेण कुरक्षेपैस्तथा परान् लाङ्गूलताडितांश्चान्यान् शृङ्गाभ्यां च विदारितान् वेगेन कांश्चितपरान् नागेन भ्रमणेन च निःश्वासपवनेनान्यान् पातयामास भूतले निपात्य प्रमतानीकमभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्या कोपं चक्रे ततोऽम्बिका सोऽपि कोपान् महावीर्यः पुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुश्चांश्चिक्षेप च ननाद च वेगभ्रमणविक्षुण्णा महीतस्य व्यशीर्यत लाङ्गूलेनाहतश्चाब्धिः प्लावयामास सर्वतः दुर्दशृङ्गविभिन्नाश्च खण्डं खण्डं ययुर्धनाः श्वासानिलास्ता शदशो निपेतुर्नभसोऽचलाः